Okay, so this is a hex bar deadlift. We do a heels raised. So we'll go off the assumption that when you're trying to do the deadlift, you just can't quite get the depth. That's why you're going to use these. It's going to help you to track your toes a little better along with the shins. It means you can get down a little bit easier. Okay, again, in terms of the actual hex bar, trap bar, same thing. I want to make sure that you actually have got bumpers on. This will make sure that you're at the right height. Going forward, before we start, wheel yourself, making sure, because I don't want to pull from the front and the tip back. I don't want to pull backwards, it go forwards. I want it to be in the middle. So when I sit, I set myself, my hands should be in line where my pockets would be, the bottom of my pockets would be. I'm gonna go chest up, set my shoulders, squeeze my bum, keep the core tight, and as I drive, I'm gonna push away. Push through the floor and pull. Squeeze and down. Squeeze and down. Because it's a deadlift, I want you to hit the floor every time. Squeeze and down. It's really important that you don't back it up. We want to avoid that as much as possible. We want no injuries today. Have a go with it.